In this video, you'll learn how to build a full app on Firebase Studio in just a few minutes, using AI to do most of the heavy lifting for you. First, go to firebase.studio and sign in with your Google account. Firebase Studio is Google's AI-powered development environment that lets you create, code, and deploy apps directly in your browser, no setup required. Next, click New Workspace and choose how you want to start. You can describe your app idea in plain English and let the AI generate it for you, import an existing project, or pick from ready-made templates for web and mobile apps. Now, use the built-in AI assistant powered by Gemini to write code, design your interface, and add features instantly. You can preview your app live inside the browser and make changes in real time without leaving the workspace. After that, connect Firebase services like authentication, Firestore, and hosting with just a few clicks. Everything is integrated, so your backend, database, and frontend work together seamlessly from the start. Finally, when your app is ready, hit deploy, and Firebase Studio will publish it instantly with a live URL, free SSL, and global hosting included. And that's it. Your app is now built, powered by AI, and live on the web through Firebase Studio.